Hey, what's going on YouTube family? This is James Buck. Thanks for watching again. This is a how-to video. If you have the lane keep assist or the adaptive cruise control on one of your Hondas, I got you covered, because guess what? I'm gonna explain how it works and how to turn it on and how to use it. Thank you. All right, so I'm inside the Accord right now, and it's gonna be similar on every model that features the lane keep assist and the adaptive cruise control. What you're gonna do is you're gonna press the main button, which is right there. That's that main button. So you're going to press that. Once you have pressed that, you'll see the ACC and the LKAS on the dash. Then you're going to hit this button right here, and you'll see this will pop up. That means whenever you're going over 45 miles an hour, those dotted lines will turn into solid dotted white lines, and that means it's activated. Then to do the adaptive cruise control, you're going to press this button, and you can press it multiple times. That shows you how far away you want to be, so that way it will speed up and slow down according to what distance you like. One thing that's pretty nice too is on the Accords, you can press this button and you can go over here to the driver support, and what it's going to do is it's going to show you how far away the car is. And just to give you an example, you see that vehicle right there? It's showing that that vehicle is 9 yards apart. All right, now that I have shown you how to turn on the lane keep assist and the adaptive cruise control, what I'm going to do is explain how it works. What it does is there's a camera and it sees the dotted lines while you're driving. Once you're going over 45 miles an hour, it will keep you in your lane. Now it is a lane keep assist. You still got to drive. It's not going to drive for you, but you'll see it will take slight turns and curves and stuff like that. So that way it will keep you in your lane, keep you safe, and that way it helps you for driving. The adaptive cruise control, what it's designed to do is when you're taking long trips and you put the cruise control on, instead of cutting the cruise control off and then cutting it back on and then resuming it and doing all that, basically what it does is it slows down and speeds up according to what's in front of you. It's an amazing feature. I love it on my 2018 Honda Accord Sport, and I know you'll love it too once you learn how to use it. Thank you.